I'm a little Muslim, good and smart. Here are my books and here is my scarf. When you hear the Prophet's stories, hear me shout. Excuse me, I have a question. Learning together is the best part. Come on, everyone. Let's listen and learn from the Prophet stories.
That's right. And today, we will take you way back in time to a far-away land as we will tell you the story of Hazrat.adam alayhi salam, or in English, Adam, peace be upon him.
Episode 1, the first prophet of God.
Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him, lived about 6,000 years ago. He was born in present-day Iraq and was sent by Allah as the first prophet.